Hi and welcome. Today's topic is to identify the topic sentence in a passage. Let me explain what is a topic sentence. Topic sentence is generally the first sentence in a paragraph, which is also known as the declarative sentence, announcing what is coming up in a paragraph. It establishes the main idea quickly. This is what is generally taught to the students when writing or creative writing is taught or paragraph writing is taught. But most of the writers do not follow the norm and they may not write the topic sentence at all. In such a case, the readers or the students may read the passage and try restating the paragraph in one sentence. That may be a topic sentence for the reader's understanding. In order to restate, topic sentence or the topic is what the passage is all about or what is the subject being discussed. Now let us look at this reading strategy, what we need to apply. Try restating the entire paragraph in one sentence and then look at the sentences in the paragraph trying to establish some kind of similarity of context. Then look for the first sentence and the last sentence. The last sentence is the summative sentence or the sum up sentence. The summative sentence and the first sentence, if they match in terms of context, that means if the last sentence summarizes the entire paragraph and converges to the first sentence, then the first sentence might be the topic sentence. Now let us read the passage and then respond to the question, selecting the topic sentence that best fits the paragraph. The passage that I have selected falls between the lexile range of 1210 lexile to 1400 lexile. Lexile is the complexity of the text. Now let's read the passage. The term spices is a pleasant one, whether it connotes fine French cuisine or a down-home cinnamon-flavored apple pie. In the past, individuals traveled the world seeking exotic spices for profit, and in searching have changed the course of history. Indeed, to gain control of lands harboring new spices, nations have actually gone to war. The passage ends there. Now let us look at the question. Choose the topic sentence that best fits the paragraph. The options are: the taste and aroma of spices are the main elements that make food such a source of fascination and pleasure. Option B, the term might equally bring to mind Indian curry made thousands of miles away and those delicious barbecued ribs sold on the corner. It is exciting to find a good cookbook and experiment with spices from other lands. Indeed, it is one way to travel around the globe. Option D, the history of spices, however, is another matter altogether, and at times it can be filled with danger and intrigue. Now let us see the strategy, let us examine it, and let us try applying it. The answering strategy is the elimination method. That is, one by one we need to eliminate the options given to us in order to narrow down our options and reach the right answer. According to me, option A, B and C can be eliminated as there is no mention of celebrating spices as a source of fascination and pleasure. Indian curry is not mentioned in and no cookbook is discussed. So three options that I've highlighted, A, B and C, can be eliminated. We are left with just option D, and option D is the right answer. That is the mention that searching for spices has changed the course of history and that for spices nations have gone to war implies that the subject of the paragraph is history. These phrases also connote danger and intrigue. This strategy of determining the topic sentence in a passage, in a paragraph, can be used, practiced and mastered using the strategy of reading and using the strategy of responding to the answer. Thank you.